Hi everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my brand new 9-week beginner interval challenge. So it's gonna be really fun. Each week I'll be sharing a 10-minute interval workout. We are working 30 seconds on and 30 seconds off because this is a beginner friendly challenge. So it is for everyone. So each week I'll be sharing a 10-minute interval workout and we'll be repeating this workout 3 or 4 times a week. 9 weeks, 9 workouts. Are you ready? We are starting with some planks today. So the first exercise is actually plank leg raises. Off we go. Perfect plank position. Hands just underneath your shoulders, body is aligned, head, shoulders, hips, knees and ankles in a straight line. Core is engaged and we're raising legs up and down with control. And now we are off 30 seconds rest recovery. The second exercise is gonna be side taps. So again, plank position. Get ready. And off we go. Alternating the legs, just tap to the side. Keep the perfect plank position. Keep breathing. Almost there. And rest. Stretch yourself. You can stretch your shoulders a little bit. Relax your breathing if you need. Remember, it's only 10 minutes. Next exercise, again plank position and now knee tucks. Exhale and tuck the knee in. Exhale in. Exhale in, alternating the legs. And rest. Take your time, catch your breath. The next exercise is shoulder taps. Again, plank position, get ready. And now, just alternate your arms and touch the opposite shoulder. Almost there. And rest. Awesome job. I can feel the burn in my shoulders already. We'll keep the plank position during the whole workout. The next exercise is front reach. So we're gonna alternate the arms. Ready, off we go. And reach. and front reach. Maintain the perfect plank position. Try not to rotate your hips too much. And rest. Okay, I really need to stretch my shoulders. Get ready. Next one is side reach. Same thing, but this time we're reaching each arm to the side. With control. Core is tight. And rest. Almost there, 4 more minutes, 4 moves, 30 seconds each one. The next exercise is Commandos. So we're gonna start in high plank position and we're gonna lower down into low plank on forearms. And then back up. So down on forearms, up. And now alternate the arms. So first we go right. And then on the next rep we go left first. And of course, breathe. Keep breathing all the time. Don't hold your breath. And rest. The next exercise is low plank knee taps. Low plank, so we're gonna stay on forearms. Get ready. And tap the knees down, alternating the legs. We're almost there. Stay with me, 10 more seconds. Almost there, and rest. Just 2 exercises left. That means 2 times 30 seconds intervals, and we are done for the day. Ready? And now low plank hip twists. Just rotate side to side. And rest. And the last exercise is gonna be plank hold. One exercise away. And off we go, low plank hold. Body is aligned, head, shoulders, hips, knees and ankles in straight line. Breathe, stay with me. And this is the last exercise from the first workout, the workout for week 1. Please remember, you have to repeat this workout at least 3 to 4 times a week. And that was it. We are done. Enjoy your day. I'm gonna see you in week 2.